Welcome class. Today we will start chapter 6 Peter's Ghost Dog. So before starting the chapter, let us come to know about the characters of the story. So Peter's Ghost Dog. The characters of the story are Peter. He is the main character. Sniffy. Sniffy is a Peter imaginative dog. He is a imagination. Sniffy is a imagination of Peter and Peter's parents. So these are some of the characters of the story. The characters of the stories are described here. Now let us come to know about the word meanings. Primary school. Primary school is a school where children between 5 and 11 years old study. So those children which are of 5 and 11 age group. So those children who are of age between 5 and 11 goes to a primary school to study. Snuggled. Snuggled means moved into a warm and comfortable position. So snuggled means to move in a warm and comfortable position. Next one is stroke. Stroke means to touch something in a loving manner. So stroke means touch lovingly. Now we will start the story. Once upon a time there was a boy called Peter. Peter went to preschool, but when he wasn't at school he sometimes felt lonely. So the story starts with a boy named Peter, and Peter went to a preschool, and when he was at home he felt lonely at home because no one was with him at his home. All his friends had brother or sisters or dogs or rabbits, but Peter only had his toys and books. Why Peter felt lonely? Because all his friends had brother and sisters, or they had pets like dog or rabbit, but Peter, he only had his books and toys. He was a single child. He had no brother or sister. He had no dogs or rabbit. He only had his toys and books. Peter's birthday was getting near, so he asked his daddy if he could have a dog. So Peter's birthday was near and he asked his daddy for a gift, which was a dog. Him, said daddy, we live in a flat and mummy and I have to go to work. So daddy in reply said that I and mummy go to work and we live in a flat. Soon you will go to primary school, so there won't be anyone to take the doggy out. So he is saying that soon you will go to a primary school and doggy will be alone at home. So no one will take any care of him. So he will be left alone at home. Daddy noticed Peter's sad look, so he added, soon if we all work hard and make money, we can move to a big house by the seaside. Then you can have 2 dogs if you like. So when Peter's daddy looked at his sad face, he said that we can have 2 doggies. When we will work hard and we will make a large amount of money, we can go to a big house, and in that big house we can have 2 different dogs. Peter went to his room. He cried and cried. But Peter, he was very sad. He went to his room and there in his room he cried bitterly. He did not want 2 dogs sometime into his room in future. He just wanted 1 dog now. So Peter is saying that he does not want 2 dogs in future, but now he want a dog, but it should be in the heat of the moment. It should be at that time only. Just then Peter noticed a little brown dog sitting on a corner of his bed. It was looking at him lovingly. Perhaps the dog had come in through the open window. Peter picked it up and hugged it. The dog snuggled into Peter's shirt. So when Peter was crying in his room, he noticed that a dog came into his room, and it was a little brown dog. It was sitting on the corner of his bed and he was looking to Peter in a loving manner. So Peter picked it up and hugged him. The dog, he was also very lovingly, so he also snuggled into Peter's shirt. So he also moved warmly into the Peter's shirts. Peter made a bed for the dog out of the cardboard box and kept it under his own bed. So Peter, he made a bed for his dog and it was made up of cardboard and kept under the bed. He decided to call the dog Sniffy because it always had a wet nose. He would save some of his own dinner to give to Sniffy. So Peter made a bed of cardboard and he decided to call that dog Sniffy. He gave a name Sniffy to the dog because the dog's nose was always wet. And for dinner, when Peter was called for dinner, he would take the dinner to his room and shared it with Sniffy. He used to share the dinner with Sniffy. Next day, Peter wrapped Sniffy in his coat and took it to show his friends in the park around the corner. His friend just laughed. So, next day, Peter took Sniffy inside his coat and took it to the park to show to his friends. But his friends were laughing at Peter. Peter realized they could not even see Sniffy. He did not care. Then Peter realized that his friends can't see Sniffy. So he moved from there. He knew Sniffy was real, but he also knew Sniffy was a very special dog. So Peter was knowing that Sniffy was real according to him. But according to him, Sniffy was also a special dog. Over the coming weeks and months, Peter and Sniffy spent hours and hours playing together in his room and in the park. So Peter and Sniffy, they played hours and hours together in his own room and also in the park. So students, today we will do up to these lines. Your homework is to go through the word meanings and the chapter up to taught. So in our next video we will resume. So that's all for today. Thank you.